Hello friends, today we are going to create an experiment to convert a 2D object into a 3D object. Let's assemble all the kits necessary for the experiment. We have a motor, battery, a straw and different shapes. First, place the motor inside the base. Then connect the motor with the power source, that is the battery. Then we can fit the 2D model into the straw. So we have placed a semicircle 2D object in the motor. While it is rotating, we can see it is like an half ball shape. We can also place different objects and see what it looks like. A semicircle looks like an half ball. And this rectangle object, let's see what it looks like. And we have a triangle 2D object which looks like a cone while it is rotating.